So today we're going to be taking a look at a case that completely changed my mind. Last year I reviewed this case and I had some kind of, thoughts about it that I wasn't too sure about it. I thought the price was too high and a few other things. Well, this year I completely changed my mind on it, or maybe this case changed my mind for me. So let's go ahead and take a look. And today we are talking about the Torras Q3 Air for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, huge shout out to Torras for sending these over to me to review for you guys. The price on this case is $65.99, but it may actually be worth it. Let's go ahead and take a look. So, starting off, we know this packaging. We know Torras, stand your case, make your stand, all that. A little more information here on the back. Enough about that. Let's go ahead and dig right in. So, inside you are going to get your case in this paper here. We'll go ahead and open this up and get the case out of here. We're also going to get some replacement buttons if you'd like to change these out. And you also get this little quick guide right here to figure out how to remove your case and all that, and feel free to scan that QR code for a little more info. But anyways, let's go ahead and set all of this off to the side and take a look. So, the Q3 Air from Torras. This case took the whole case market by storm last year, and like I said, I had a couple of issues with it. I wasn't a huge fan of the bottom. Almost dropped it. I wasn't a huge fan of the bottom of it because I thought it was too sharp. It didn't really have much of a screen lip, and I just didn't really understand all the hype around it. Well, I made that video. I did all this testing. I kept using it throughout the year and kept using it, and I started to get a little more fond of it, and it was a great case overall, but I thought it was overpriced and a few other issues, and as I kept using it, I liked it more and more, and this year, guys, I gotta admit it, I really like this case. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, here we do have the O stand right here from Torras. As we know exactly what this is a 360-degree rotating stand. We will talk about that in a little bit. You are going to get a polycarbonate back here, as well as your camera plateau there. You get a little bit of Torras branding right there on the camera plateau. Then going around on the inside, you have the same polycarbonate material, but they're both going to have this very nice, like, soft touch material on them, or finish on them, I should say. They are going to show a little bit of fingerprint, so that is something to note, but it's easy to wipe off. And you get a little branding here on the back. It says Air, a little more info there, lightweight protection, secure grip, all that fun stuff. Then moving on the inside, like I said, there is your MagSafe magnet that is actually going to be built in to the ring here. So if you do have this open, there is no magnet on the inside there. And then going around the inside, you're getting this TPU material that goes all the way around the inside of the case, as well as a look at our camera control button right there. Now coming down, as you guys see, the top and bottom of them are a little bit raised up, and that's going to be in here a little bit. You can kind of see, as well as on the outside, their Air Max technology. So this case is going to give you, according to Torras, 12 feet of drop protection. And honestly, based on how thin this case is and how it feels in the hand, you don't expect that, but you can drop this case, and apparently 12 feet is really crazy for something this size. Which, speaking of the size, let's go ahead and bring over our scale and our caliper here. We'll see how much this thing weighs. So we are in grams, and we are looking at 54 grams on this case, measuring from front to back, 12.8 millimeters, with your camera plateau 15.5, and then going inside to outside, we are looking at 3.3 millimeters there. So this is not going to be the thickest or the heaviest case, but it's going to offer you some really good protection from dropping your phone, from your scratches, nicks, and dings and stuff like that, as well as some really good grip on here. But we'll talk about that in a second. For right now, let's go ahead and bring over that Cosmic Orange 17 Pro Max, put it in here, listen out for that click. Ooh, that was a solid click on there. Taking a look at the fit of the case, you guys know what it is, man. This thing is going to have a very solid fit. Going around your buttons, you get a little more movement. Camera control button there. Top, bottom are nice and stiff. Everything is very good. Let's go ahead and take a look at that camera and screen protection. Now, I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and let's go ahead and see what this is working with. So starting off with that screen lip, you are going to get a slight screen lip with this case, so you can set this down on flat surfaces and you'll be good to go, but I would be a little careful on jagged ones. And then looking at our camera plateau protection, we get a pretty decent camera plateau right there, so you can set this down just about any surface. You'll be good to go there. Now, Torras, I'd just love to see a little bit more of a screen lip on this case. Like I said, full coverage tempered glass screen protector on my phone, so it is going to cover a little bit more of your screen if you don't use a screen protector, but I know you guys know we all use screen protectors, at least most of us. All the daredevils out there may not, but most of us use screen protectors. So Torras, please, a little bit more of a lip on here would be great, but I still think you should be just fine when it comes to this case. Now, let's go ahead and see how those corners fit. 1, good. 2, 3, ooh, and 4. That one's nice and tight. Good fit, nice and tight all the way around. You will not have any problems when it comes to the fit of this. If you were to drop your phone, it will not come out of the case. So let's go ahead and take a look around the sides of it. Now, as you guys can see right here on the top, you can see that Air Max technology. That's going to give you that 12 feet of drop protection. On the left-hand side, you're going to get those same corners right there, and you have your action button, volume up and down, which are standalone plastic buttons, but they are replaceable. Like I said, you do have those right here. So let's listen to how those sound real quick. Very nice clicky buttons, nothing to complain about there. They do protrude out just a tiny bit right there. And on the sides, you're getting this dot matrix that's going to offer you some really nice grip. It also is this like TPU material. Like I said, polycarbonate on the back. The sides are going to be TPU. Not sure if I mentioned that, but there you go. You do have your little dot matrix here. Very good grip on there. Now moving along to the bottom, we have nice cutouts right there for the mic and the speaker, and you do get a little bit of a lanyard loop here, but this does not come with a lanyard. But testing out that USB Type-C port, let's go ahead and bring over a cable here, plug that in, charging. Nice wide open USB-C port, so I foresee all your thicker head cables will have no issues fitting on there. And then on the right hand side, we have our camera control button, which has this like nice color match to the case like that. And then a little bit of that dot matrix grip here and our power button. I do wish we did have a little bit of that dot matrix right there as well, but it's not a deal breaker. But let's test out that camera control button here. Let's go ahead and click that. And we are going to have a very nice and responsive camera control button. Really no issues there. Let's go, oh, let's zoom way too far out. Let's go ahead and take our usual picture right there. Boom, click that, and we are good to go. So no complaints when it comes to the camera control button on this case. The fit, the finish, all of it is really nice. B, what do you think? I'm getting ahead of myself here. What do you think about the case? Guys, I'm really, really liking this case. I know if you saw my previous video, which you can check that out on my channel for the 16 Pro Max, I kind of trashed the case, guys. I'm not even going to hold it. I kind of trashed the case, but I kept using it. I kept using it for the 16 Pro Max, and I finally kind of got a little more warm to it. Now, don't get me wrong. I use all my cases. I give you a real, raw, honest review after using it for a few days, sometimes a week, different things like that. I really put the Q3 Air through its paces last year, but it grew on me more and more. And this year, when I took this one out the box, I've had this case for a while now. It's been in the rotation for a couple of months, and I've really been enjoying it. I've actually held off on making my review on this case because I really wanted to put those hours into it, put that time into this case to make sure that it wasn't just me, you know, honeymoon phasing this thing. No, I really, really like it. The bottom has been refined. I'm not sure if they did something or if I'm just crazy, but the bottom of this case is not sharp anymore. Now, over here, just along these edges right there, it's a little bit sharp, but I hold my hand like this right into that USB-C port or on the sides right here, and there is zero sharpness when it comes to that, just those edges. But again, if you hold your phone like this, you don't really feel those edges on your pinky. So yes, feels good. I wouldn't call it a pinky destroyer anymore. It's got a really good grip, great buttons, great fit on the case, really good protection, a nice slim profile, which you guys saw, and all around it is really good. Now, of course, we still got to test that MagSafe, but I've been very, very happy with the Q3 Air, and this thing has definitely been heavy in my case rotation. Let's take a look at that MagSafe. So, starting off with our Apple MagSafe wallet, bring that over, animation, right? Go ahead and move it around, and it does take a little bit of effort to get that off. Then coming over with our Apple MagSafe battery pack, attach that. No animation for some reason lately with this thing, but it's gonna work. Shake it, good to go. No problems whatsoever with that. And then last but not least, go ahead and bring over that 623. And this is the only issue you're gonna run in with MagSafe, but even still, I mean, you gotta give it a little bit of a shake for that to come off. The MagSafe on this case is nice and strong. Anytime I've used a pop socket, I actually really like the new pop socket kickout, but any of my pop sockets, I've tried them all on here. They have had no issues when it comes to, or any phone grips that I haven't really had any issues when it comes to the stand. Let's talk about the stand actually though, and those colors real quick. So again, with the stand, one thing Torras is very well known for is their stand. You can lean your phone out almost when it's flat before it falls down, And then what you can do, what you can do there is you can stand it like this, just like I said. You can do it like this or turn your phone that way. Go ahead and lay it down almost as flat as you want to. Flip this thing around, turn it down this way, lay it almost as flat as you want to. Or even honestly, if you really want to, you can hold it upside down if for some reason you want to do that. So really good stand when it comes to this, as well as, of course, you can use these as a finger loop in and of itself. It has a nice strong hinge, so it's not going to really move around or anything. If you're holding your case like this, it's not going to just close on you or open all the way or anything like that. Guys, this is a very good case, and my mind was changed. It was, and I have to be honest, I have to admit it to you guys, all the Q3 Air lovers out there. I saw all your comments in my previous video. I'm right there with you. I have been loving the Torras Q3 Air. Let's take a look at the colors that it's going to come in. So we do have the shadow black here. It's also going to come in cosmic orange, which is the same color name of the phone. Just while I have the case here, I'll show you guys what that looks like going all the way around the sides of this. Looks very good when it comes to the cosmic orange iPhone and the cosmic orange Torras Q3 Air. It's also going to come in deep blue and glacier sprint. So all around, guys, Torras Q3 Air, I've been loving it. I definitely recommend this case to you guys. I know a lot of you love it. A lot of you have already gotten it, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. So let me know down in the comments below which color case you got or are getting, what color phone you have, and which model you have. I'm curious to hear all your guys' thoughts about the Q3 Air down in the comments, because I've definitely really been enjoying it. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. It goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see another really good case that I've been loving lately, I'll leave that video right here. If you guys want to see my 1 month later review of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, I used it for an entire month and I have a lot of thoughts, I'll leave that video right here.